And here's how the game works, guys, is we're going to be writing for you now the greatest American novel ever. It couldn't fool you guys. But I'll be typing away at the old typewriter here, and my fellow manics will come onto the stage as the story's being written, populate the stage, and give the narrative life. So what I need from you guys now is, you know what, I'm going to leave this totally open-ended because you are a fantabulous audience. What do you want me to write now? Exorcisms?
In L.A.
In Alabama. Alright, you know what? I accept your challenge, you crazy people. Exorcisms in Alabama. That's my new novel I'm working on. Should be a barn burner. Wicked! There are two things in this world the South is known for. The sound of banjo music wherever you go. And crazy stuff happening. This story is about an unusual person to find in the South. Not a Baptist, but a priest. This priest, Father Yaya, was one happening cat right out of the 70s. In fact, our tale takes place in the heat of the summer of 1976.
Good Lord, it's hot.
It was the bicentennial. Happy birthday, America, and all that jazz. And in the heat of the bicentennial, strange things were occurring, unusual things. It had to be a coincidence, but perhaps it was not. As banjo music played in the background, the father was busy in his parish doing fatherly stuff. Suddenly, there came a knock at the door.
Hey, you want Jesus wine?
Yes, sir. That's part of why I came here. I came here under the pretense that I would ask for your assistance with the curing of my family's illness and ailments, sir.
Try penicillin.
I don't know that strange fancy wordage you use. My family's been up in the Appalachians for near on forever, pretty much. And,
Oh, we in yet?
oh, no. I am talking to the man in the robe with the crossy thingy. May we cross your porch step there and come into your abode for...
They were backwards people, but they were damn polite.
Yeah, come on in, have a seat.
Brother, I ain't a sinner.
Oh, I can't give him a foot across.
I told you to leave them pigs alone.
That's been done. That's been done to death. That's been done to death, and what has been unread cannot be unread. So, what he actually said was,
Well, the reason you can't come in is because you are afflicted with what is afflicting my entire afflicted family.
it was at that time the affliction reared its ugly head. Pardon the pun.
Oh, it ain't.
You see what I wake up to?
But Paul,
Father Yaga was stunned by what he saw, but he knew from his studies precisely what the problem was.
You've been watching a lot of Cosby, hasn't he?
This is gold.
Yes, sir. We like Ruby. She's clever and mysterious.
Oh, wait a second. That was 1980 something. We're in 76. I just stopped drinking before I started writing. All right, let's accept that Cosby stuff and let's just get down to business. He knew precisely what the cause was. It was...
Sir, I can clearly tell that your son is a Democrat.
Sir! In my house!
It can happen in the best of families, sir.
Paul, help me, please, Paul, help
There ain't no helping you, brother!
me. Preacher man, please help me.
Ain't no one in this room to help
Vote for me. Vote for me.
Come on in!
It's burning my hand! It's burning my hand!
No! What the hell was that guy? Oh, my God. Oh, you know what? Maybe I just need to drink more. I think that's what Oh, yeah. All right, Jim Beam, give me inspiration.
Yeah, brother!
Hold on. Hold on. No.
Okay,
No. I am your brother, Paul.
What?
I am your brother, Paul, from your Uncle Anima.
I have no anima.
This story is getting ridiculous. Okay, look. Okay, the words are... Come on, son. I'm not even typing and the words are writing themselves. It was true. The son was possessed with the liberal spirit, up day and night, vomiting pea soup and claiming, vote for Carter, vote for Carter.
Vote for Carter!
Sir,
Paul, help me. Vote for Carter. Vote.
shut up with your heresy.
It might not be too late. We must perform an exorcism.
I'm seriously out of shape, though.
No, you're not going to exorcise. You're going to exorcise the demon that has entered your son's mind.
What if the demon is in better shape than we are?
Well, we just have to hope that it's a lazy demon.
Vote for Carter.
Can I just stay here?
No, the priest sprang into action. He called for his assistant, and they began the ceremony.
John! Hi. We gotta do an exorcism.
An old priest and a young priest. Yeah.
All right, bring in your boy. Bring him in.
Across the threshold?
It'll hurt, but it's worth it.
Don't let him drink out the drinking fountain either. They'll burn.
Carter!
Help me, boy, please.
Vote for Carter. in the name of capitalism and free trade,
This is so freaking good. I'm gonna keep my hand steady.
As the right-wing religious how you doing so far?
Should we use the right wing?
Vote for Carter.
No, it didn't work. No.
Suddenly, the spirit sprang from the sun and entered the priest.
Oh, I feel much better. My tummy's okay.
Share the wealth.
Whoa, he looks like Ma.
No, Ma looked worse.
The assistant knew just what to do. He sprang to the far wall, picked up a portrait of Barry Goldwater, and came at the priest with it.
I got you going. Here, oh, hold some holy water.
It was the sweat of the working man.
Demon, be gone! It's okay.
Secularism will take over all.
Demon, be gone! Demon, be gone! Oh no! Oh my God, Paul! He's just like that pig.
The demon!
Get the pig now! We must force the demon back into the pig! The pig! The pig! Get the pig now! He's my best friend! And it's gonna be dinner! Get the pig now! Okay, okay. I'll be right back. Demon, stay in there a little longer! Demon, into the pig now!
Got it! I got it!
Go!
Is it free range?
Yes, it's free range! Father, are you okay? Are you okay, Father?
The spirit was within the pig, and the priest was exhausted from his ordeal.
Okay, God, I was overcome with feelings to treat everybody equally.
I know!
Oh no.
It's true.
Ganja. Wacky tobacco.
So are we having smoked ham?